When we talk about plant design, the basic set of skills for any company that you look for is process simulation, engineering drawings, and specification data sheets, because we need to perform the heating material balance of complex process, and most often what we use as a tool to perform that is process simulation. But the plant is not erected with the process simulation. We need to build, or we need to develop drawings for many disciplines. For instance, for operations and for a representation of the heating material balance, we perform the process flow diagram. For the design of the plant, we perform, or we develop the piping instrumentation diagram, because the other discipline will use the piping instrumentation diagram to do their specifications, to perform their work. They will not use the process flow diagram. But to buy the equipments and control valves and pressure safety devices and etc., you will not use, or you will not issue your process simulation. You will not issue only the pipe instrumentation diagram. You will need to issue for the vendors a specification data sheet having information related to the process conditions. That is the main responsibility of the chemical process engineer, but also others information depending the kind of equipment that we are talking about too. For instance, for rotating equipment, we will have the mechanical design or specification and the electrical specification. If we are talking about static equipment, we will have only the mechanical specification together with the process conditions. So these are the minimum requirements that you must have to work with plant design. Without that, you are not able to perform your roles as a chemical process engineer in plant design.